This video will show you different ways to copy a form from one project to another. The first and most obvious method is to simply use the copy button within the form section of your project. This button will create a new form using the JSON of the copied form. The second option is using the form embed URL to copy a form from one project to another. Click the Embed tab on a form and copy the URL you see here. Now I'm in another project here. I'm in my form section. I'm going to click this import button and paste the embed URL and import the form. You can also import a form by exporting and importing a project template. You can click the Staging tab of your project in the Export Template tab and check this Include All checkbox. In here you can select what forms or resources you want part of the project JSON download. So I only want these two forms. So I'm going to export that file. Back over to my second project here. I'm going to go to the same Staging tab except click Import. And I'm going to select my project JSON file, import that, and I'll have the two forms I had selected in that export saved to my project. Another option is going to your form and copying the JSON of the form. And we're going to use a tool like Postman to make some API calls against this project here. So I've got my form JSON. I'm going to get rid of this machine name. I'm going to do a post against this project B. And I'm using an API key here to authenticate for the post request. Here we go. So if we do a refresh, we should see our application form in our project. Finally, you can utilize the Form.IO CLI tool to copy a form from one project to another. You'll need to have the CLI tool installed on your local machine first, and then you're going to execute this copy command. You can find the documentation link for the CLI tool in the description of this video. We'll start off the command with Form.IO copy form. Navigate to the embed URL of your source form, or the form that's going to be copied. I'm going to plug that into the source URL. Next, we're going to copy over the embed URL of the destination form, which is just this empty shell I have in project B. Next, in order to authenticate these requests against these projects, we're going to generate some API keys and plug those into the command line here. So I'm going to do -- source -key. And I'm going to generate an API key. Copy that over. And then the destination key. We'll go to project B. Copy this key over. And then we'll execute the command. All right, I should be able to go to project B. And then here I have my application form. Be sure to visit help.form.io for more information on the Form.io platform, and thanks for watching.